back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. Another update on our Lincoln Mark III here. As you can see, progress is well underway. And today marks a milestone in our process with this car. The engine and transmission has been sitting ever since we pulled it out back in July, August, somewhere we started tearing the car down. So it's been tucked away in the corner here. So we're going to pull this thing out and get the transmission off, get the transmission sent out to a shop and have it going through. And we're going to start pulling the accessories off the engine, get it up on an engine stand, go through it. We're going to just do some new gaskets and stuff on it. I want to change the oil pan because the oil pan's pretty rusty. I got a nicer oil pan for it here. We're going to pull everything off, get it painted, and start putting it back together, get it back in the frame. So let's get going. Alright guys, so we got our engine all stripped down here about as far as I want to go right now. Getting ready to put it on the engine stand. We have the engine stand adapter all bolted to the back where the bell housing bolts to. Nice puddle of oil on the ground right there too. So we're going to cheat a little bit. I don't feel like getting the engine hoist out. We're going to use our lift, have it chained up here, bolted to the heads. We're going to lift this up and put it onto the engine stand. Alright, so we got our engine up on the engine stand here. We're going to start taking some of this stuff off. I ordered a gasket set for it. And you can see this oil pan was pretty rusty. I'm gonna get the exhaust manifolds off, get them cleaned up, blasted, painted. So far they look pretty good. I don't see any cracks in them. That's cool. This is kind of neat. This engine's all original. And you can see the big run in the paint here. These cars, they were never made to be show quality finishes, especially under the hood. As they were painted on the assembly line, whatever got painted got painted. Some of these engines didn't even get paint in some of the areas. So I'm not going to replicate that. I don't want to be running the valve cover. As cool as it is, I just can't bring myself to do that. So we're going to get this taken apart, get a little more cleaning done, and wait for the gaskets and the water pump to come in. We're going to put a new water pump on too while it's apart. So let's get this cleaned up.